This is how I mix up a glycerin drink if I'm doing a fasting mimicking diet. You can watch my other video about the fasting mimicking diet, and if you want to buy some glycerin, there's a link in the description. So the glycerin kind of keeps your brain running while you're fasting or fasting mimicking, and you just feel better if you have a little bit of it. Now this is pretty much a lifetime supply, considering how little you actually need to drink during the day. So I would put 1 teaspoon of it into a bottle of water, and then mix in some herbal tea, so something like a hibiscus, or this is a blackberry tea, and then you've got your tea, you've got your glycerin or glycerol, I think they're interchangeable terms. And then that just keeps your brain going, keeps you feeling a little bit better as you go through your, in my case, 5-day fast. I'm on day 3, and this definitely makes it more bearable. I've tried it without this, and I totally recommend it if you're going to do fasting mimicking diet, especially if you're going to do long, 5 days or 7 days. Just a little bit of this, 1 teaspoon in a bottle that's 32 ounces or so, and you just sip this throughout the day. So you pretty much like an IV drip. You drink a little bit, try to get to here by noon, and then try to get to here by bedtime. Just cruise through it during the day, just getting a little bit of glycerol into your brain to keep you from going crazy while you're starving.